In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro AI to jumpstart content creation, organize chaos, and streamline documentation. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Miro AI, part of the Miro Assist suite, lives right inside your visual workspace. Think of it as a practical co-pilot. It helps you get past the blank canvas, turns scattered notes into structure, and quickly produces clear documentation from messy input. Let's start with creating content. When you're stuck, give Miro AI a simple prompt like, "Brainstorm 10 potential risks for a product launch," and it will propose ideas, questions, or related topics. If you already have sticky notes on the board, select them and ask the AI for expansions or variations to keep the momentum going. You can also describe a process in plain text and have the AI generate an editable flowchart, a UML sequence diagram, or a mind map. Treat these as starting points, review the shapes, adjust connections, and refine labels so they match your team's language. And if you need early visuals, Miro AI can generate basic images from text prompts. These are useful placeholders to convey concepts while you iterate on the real design. Next, bring order to chaos after a workshop or planning session. Miro AI can automatically cluster related sticky notes or comments by keywords, themes, or sentiment in a single step. This replaces tedious affinity mapping and helps you see patterns right away. After grouping, rename clusters or merge them to match your taxonomy. When you're ready to summarize, select the relevant stickies, text blocks, or comments, and ask for a concise synthesis. You'll get key themes and suggested action items, perfect for meeting notes or project updates. You can also refine content with grammar and spelling fixes, switch to a more professional tone, or translate into one of 18 supported languages. Use these refinements to polish drafts quickly while keeping final decisions with your team. From ideas to execution, Miro AI helps you structure output fast. Convert a selection of sticky notes into a table or a presentation-style layout to make information easier to share. You can tap into AI sidekicks, contextual personas like an agile coach or product leader, to get targeted suggestions right on the board. And when you need momentum, the AI can break big goals into smaller tasks, generate user stories from prompts, and sketch an initial project plan or risk analysis in seconds. Finally, a reality check. Miro AI works within the canvas and with the content on your board. It doesn't pull from external systems like wikis or shared drives, and it isn't an automation agent for other tools. Consider it a powerful assistant for visual planning, ideation, and documentation, not an end-to-end enterprise automation engine. Try these features in your next session, and you'll spend less time organizing and more time creating impact. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.